Good day and welcome to today's talk. Have you thought about what will become of your loved ones when you die? How will they cope financially? They won't have your salary at the end of the month, but they'll still have to pay the same bills as before. If you had debt, they would have to pay that too. Did you know that there are also standard costs that will need to be paid out of your estate, like estate duty, executors' fees, and outstanding income taxes? If there's not enough liquidity, which is cash available in your estate to pay for this, your family might have to sell assets like the house or car to pay for these costs and debts. You can prevent this from happening if you have life insurance. A life insurance policy creates liquidity in your estate. You may argue that you don't need life cover because you have group life cover through your retirement fund. But remember that the life cover in your retirement fund is there to replace your monthly salary and to ensure that your dependents are cared for. It cannot be used to pay off your debt with creditors. So how much life cover do you need? Generally, you'll have life cover of a specified multiple of salary, like 2 times your yearly fund salary, plus all the money you've saved in your retirement fund. Ideally, your spouse and dependents should reinvest these funds to give them a monthly income in the place of your paycheck. The minimum target you should have as an income for your spouse when you die is 60% of the fund salary you used to receive. If you have children, you should leave at least 10% of your fund salary for each child. So where do you start to assess what your family's financial needs will be if you should die? Firstly, understand your current financial position. Draw up a list of all your assets and liabilities. You have to ask yourself some important questions. What will happen to your assets and liabilities if you die? What will your family have to pay for? Things like paying off a bond, the car, or any other debt. Are you married, and if so, are you married in community of property or with an antenuptial contract? Does your spouse work and have an income? Do you have children? What are their ages and will they need money for education? Once you've answered these questions, you'll have a better idea of how much money your family will need to be financially secure. Alexander Forbes has an online tool called the Life Cover Needs Analysis Tool that will help you work out how much money your spouse will get based on your current group life cover and retirement fund savings. You'll find this tool under Financial Tools on www.afonline.co.za. In most cases, there's a substantial shortfall between the group life cover offered on your retirement fund and your family's needs. You'll have to think about taking out extra life cover in your personal capacity to make up for the shortfall. A life cover policy pays a tax-free lump sum when you die, whether you died because of an illness or accident. If there's going to be a shortfall in your estate, you can make the estate your beneficiary of a policy. Otherwise, nominate a beneficiary on the policy and the money will go directly to them. There are many different products with different benefits and costs available in the market. Speak to an accredited financial advisor to help you choose the most suitable life cover policy. Also, remember to update your nomination of beneficiaries form for your group life cover every time your personal circumstances change, like when you get married or divorced, with the birth of a child, or if a dependent or nominee dies. Remember, you can't specify in your will who will inherit your group life cover or the money in your retirement fund. The trustees of your retirement fund have the final say. They will take your wishes into account, but have to make sure that your benefits are distributed fairly to all your dependents. It's important to draw up a will for all your other assets so that your wishes are complied with. You will also appoint guardians for your minor children in a will. Remember to update your will whenever your personal circumstances change. It's not very comfortable to talk about death, but we're all going to die, so it's best to make sure your family will have as little disruption as possible to their lives when you die by taking care of their financial future today. To review your life cover needs, set up a will or review your existing will, or if you require any financial advice, please contact us on me@aforbes.co.za.